Today I'm going to show you yet another beach, one of the most beautiful beaches in India that you can see. It is in my home state, Karnataka. You will definitely come after watching this. Hi, if it's new day, it has to be new place. Yes, this place is in Bhatkal. People don't come and visit at all. If you're looking for privacy, if you're looking to come with family and friends, this is one of the best beaches you can visit because one, it is very clean. There are no people at all who will come here. To begin with, that is the lighthouse, okay, where the signals are sent to the ships to park their the ships and all that, or whatever reason it is for that reason. So what we're going to do is, what I see right now is I need to get to that beach. I need to get to the beach is already my intention, because from here, yes, I can see it, and but going there is going to be more exciting, is what I already realized about. Okay, top view is good. Okay, you can come on top. It is not even 50 meters from the ground level. Somebody during British era died here. In his remembrance they built it. Why you want to have somebody's remembrance here who have destroyed India and gone? And we take it. But what happens right now is, when I turn around, I see something else. Okay, which you have to see it to believe it. Yes. That is the Arabian Sea. Look at the beauty. Now just turn around. So that is what happens. So not only look forward, look around. I see a boating area, then I see a beach on the other side. So that reminds me I need to send the drone up. Otherwise I was planning to go here. But when I send it up, I see the color of the ocean. It's beautiful. Look at the vegetation. Look at the habitation here. Not many people are here. That's the beauty of it. That's the beauty. The rich people have not come here. If they come here, they will spoil it. This is where all the boats come and park and unload the fish they were caught. Because that is the main source of income, right, for them. Look at this beauty. We are on top of this where the lighthouse is there. I think that place is meant for the super engineer or head engineer to live and monitor 24 hours a day. Why don't we turn around and see how it is before we get to the beach, shall we? It is just beautiful, yeah. It's just beautiful. This is what happens when you start traveling. You will start enjoying life. It's just not, from home to work, but work to home. Okay, I see the same people, same traffic, frustration. We are on the way. The reflection you see is actually coming from the window of my car. I'm going to take you there. Don't worry, you have to see it, right? Because that's only when you're going to come. But only thing you need to promise me is you're not going to dirty the place. You'll definitely share it, I know it. When I'm talking to you, you might even press that sharing button. I know it. Come, I'll take you there. It's one of the big rocks that I can already see. From there, I think the footage is going to be great. I already know about it. It's mid-noon. It's hot. But to me, it doesn't matter. Because I know that maximum is going to happen is my skin is going to get burned. Okay? But I can go back and freshen up. I can go have bath and all this stuff. Right? So I can be fresh. That's not a problem at all. That's not... small things, don't make it a big thing. That's what I realize about it. Life is to enjoy. It's not about how much wealth you make. You make, but what are you going to do with it? Tell me, what are you going to do with it? See? I'm just in a carefree world. Nobody there, nobody to tell me to do this, do that, don't do this, don't do that. Oh God, I'm done with that life. And it so happens that, if you're not in the last video, go ahead and see it, that my shoes got wet in one of the rivers. Okay, and it is still not dried, so I came in slippers. That gave me an opportunity to get into water. Otherwise I will not get into water. Have you seen any time me getting into water? No. But I realized that the waves are strong and it is deep. Very few feet away from the beach itself is deep, so don't even think about swimming, just come and enjoy and go. But after getting drunk, you get in, you're done. Don't do it. Come enjoy and go. That's it. Look at this. Pristine beach here. Pristine. Look at this. It's given me an opportunity to climb. If it was a high tide, the water would be all around here and then I would not be in a position to climb. You get it, because you know that I can climb. That's not a problem. But I'm worried about carrying all the cameras with me and then slipping and falling on my pace. Pace is not a problem. Nobody likes my pace anyway. But I'm worried about my cameras. Somebody is dirty. That Sprite bottle or some bottle is there. I hate that person. Whoever that person is, I hate him. Look at this. Yeah. Look at the beauty around. Higher ground, you can see better things, better view, isn't it? Wait for the drone shots. This is where we begin. I'm quite worried that in my experimentation, I don't want it to crash into the waves or waves getting into my propellers. I had to be very careful. That's the hero of the story. That's me, Vivek Aditya. Hello, hello. You will see me from the sky. Actually, I wanted to speed it up, but no, it's for me. I'm doing everything for me. If you like it, you like it. You don't like it, you dislike it, you go ahead. But I'm doing it for me, for my remembrance that I was here and then all this happened. Wow, look at the beauty of the ocean. If I had to speed it up, I don't think I would have got this. I would not have got this view. Now, if at the same height, if I turn around and see the camera, how will it look? Is already I'm thinking about it. You understand, when you have patience, yeah, look at it at a height of 120 meters. This is how it looks. 120 meters above sea level. Where I am, I'm on the sea level. Oh, beauty, man. That's where that mountain you see, that's where we were earlier. That's where the lighthouse was. Now is the time to bring the drone down and get some footages and then leave. And leave, go where? Murudeshwar is very close. People go there. You don't come here. Why? Why? My question. Come. Isn't it beautiful? You want to go to a crowded place like Goa. For what? To drink there. Go. As if you won't get anywhere else. You will get, right? The beauty is to go to places where people don't go, and that is where it's beautiful. Otherwise, imagine if there were 100 people on the rock and I had to shoot this. It won't look nice, isn't it? Yeah, that's what I think about. I don't know what you think about. Comment and say if you want to. This is the last shot I'm going to give you from the drone, but beautiful. Beautiful. Only slight mistake I did was I should have lifted up my camera to show my thighs. Now is the time to descend. I'm worried about slipping. I'm quite worried. I don't know why that fear or that scared feeling comes in me. I don't know about. I just don't know. I'm quite worried that then my mobile is going to fall off from my pocket. Not shorts pocket. I'm worried that not only that will fall, my shorts also will fall. Because I'm sweating like crazy. Is that hot? You see, it is. Look at these waves coming in, crashing into it. That's nature, yeah. What God has made is nature. Don't change it. Let it be how it is. And I will show you the path untaken. The path untaken. Look at it. How I went. Those footmarks are still there. How I'm walking. It's making a new mark. Look. Do you see anybody else? Isn't this one of the places that you want to visit? I'll tell you, people from West Bengal go to Digha because that is the closest beach to them. But go there and see how it is, like a fish market. Where else? Do you see my footmarks? So soft. The sand is so soft. Anyway, I'll take you to Murudeshwar, okay? I will take you. Stay tuned. Coming up, next video, Murudeshwar. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay alive. Otherwise, how will you see it? If you don't see it, how will you come? You will definitely come. Parla people, bye.